We are continuing with the exercise 9.1. Sum of 13 and x. It is 13 plus x. 6 decreased by y, that is 6 minus y. 1/4 of x is 1 over 4x plus 1 over 2y. After that x is multiplied by. x को किस से multiply हुई है? It is x is outside the bracket. That means x is multiplied with the sum of y and 3, which is given in the statement. Sum of y and 3, that means y plus 3. After that, product of x and y. I am reading the statement side by side. Product of x and y. Product means multiplication. When there is no sign, that means these numbers are being multiplied. So product of x and y is divided by 2. So you can write it like this. After that, sum of x and 12 is subtracted from the product of x and 14. x and 14 माइनस x और 14 के प्रोडक्ट को माइनस x एंड 14 दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया. बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है. दैट मीन्स दीज नंबर्स आर मल्टीप्लाइड. एंड सम ऑफ x एंड 12 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम दीज प्रोडक्ट. सो माइन x प्लस 12 का सम हमने माइनस कर दिया इसमें से. नेक्स्ट इज सम नंबर 2. द एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल. We have to use literals and numbers to show this formulas. The area of rectangle is product of its length and breadth. So how you will write? A is equal to L multiply B. Next is the perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of its length and breadth. Perimeter क्या है? Twice the sum of length and breadth. पहले sum करेंगे. length and breadth का sum क्या है? L plus B. Then its twice means दो गुना. So 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 will be out of the bracket because 2 is multiplied with both length and breadth. After that, next is the profit is equal to the difference of selling price and cost price. So I will write P. P means profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Next is area of square is equal to the area of square is equal to the square of its side. Area is equal to a square, where a is side of square. You know very well, area of square is equal to side square. Side multiply side. We can also write a multiply a. Now after that, perimeter of a square is 4 multiply 4 times of its sides. 4 times means 4 guna 4 guna and 4 multiply a. Here a is the side of the square. Now look at the next sum. Sum number 3. Write down the following in the product form. So a raised to the power 5 is equal to 5 times a. A raised to the power 5 means a is 5 times multiplied. So when we will open it, we can write a multiply how many times? 5 times, because a is having power 5. A is raised to the power 5. After that 6 x cube. Product form में लिखना है. multiply का sign डाल के लिखोगे आप. So 6 multiply how many times x? It is 3 times. And how many times y? Its power is 2. So 2 times y. And how many times z? It is only 1 time. So I have written it only 1 time. Next is minus 5 x y square and z cube. So minus 5 multiply 1 time x, multiply 2 times y, and multiply 3 times z. So this was about the question 3. Next is write down the following in the exponential form. Now आपको इसको power की form में लिखना है. This is the reverse of question number 3. So 4 multiply 2 is 8. ठीक है. We have multiplied the constant. 4 multiply 2 is 8. After that, how many times x? 2 times x is there. So you will write x square, x raised to the power 2, and y raised to the power 3, because y is here 3 times. So our number will become x 8 x square and y cube. Next is, what are the constant? Only 5 is the constant and other are the variable. So 5, how many times a square, b is only 1 time, so and c is 3 times. A square 5 a square, b 1 time, and c is cube. C power is cube. Next is s is 4 times. So 4 times s is s raised to the power 4. Now come to the question number 5. That is, Sham scored X marks in the English and Y marks in the mathematics and 40 marks in the science. हमें marks नहीं पता है, just we have the given the variable X in the English and Y in the mathematics and 40 marks in the science. We have to do the total of all the marks. So marks scored in English, we will write it like this, is X. Marks scored in mathematics Y. Marks scored in science is 40. Total marks in all subjects How we will do the total? X plus y plus 40. We will add all the literals and constants. Next is sixth sum. If the cost of one pen is rupees 5 and cost of one pencil is rupees 2, find the cost of X pen and Y pencils together. So cost of one pen is rupees 5 and cost of X pens is 5 multiply X is equal to 5X by unitary method. When we are given with the cost of one, we have to find the cost of many. When we are going one to many, we always multiply both the terms. 5x is the cost of pens. Now cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 2. Cost of y pencils, again unitary method, 2 multiply y is equal to 2y. Now they have asked to find the cost of x pens and y pencils together. तो इन दोनों का together कैसे आएगा, दोनों को add करके. So rupees 5x plus 2y will be the cost of x pen and y pencils together. After that, Radhika went to the market, question number 7, for buying mangoes. If the cost of 1 kg of mangoes is rupees 70, find the cost of x kg of mangoes. So 1 kg cost is rupees 70 and x kg cost is 70 multiplied x, which is equal to 70x. So again unitary method I have used here. Just we need to write it in the equation form. This is the algebraic equation form. So this was all about your exercise. In the next video, we will do the exercise 9.2. So revise it. If you have any confusion, you can ask. Thanks to all of you.